Hello, family and friends, and loyal subscribers to Double AZ Slots. Here we are again in front of Jim and Jules, the Dollar Denom. Now, hopefully, this cousin of the other one we just finished playing with, nicer, I guess you might say, to Double AZ Slots, and hopefully they will be. We are here at High Winds Casino in Miami, Oklahoma. Great, beautiful establishment. And it's we got a $100 in the $1 denom on this machine. As you can tell, you got your jackpots. And now I gotta situate this tripod, make sure everything's good. Hopefully you guys can see the bingo card and everything. Let's hit it big. We're gonna hit 3. We're going to hit 2 and 3 and see where it goes. Let's hit it big. Come on, Jim and Jules, get your sisters together. What we'd like to do is go ahead and get a red spin and double the money. Well, we got 20 out of that one. Another 20. So that first one was the letter Y and then finished up with the X. All right, let's hit 3. Got 24, and that was a 6-pack. Seems to be hitting more on 2 than on 3. Oh, that would have been beautiful. Let's hit 3. 3 more. Well, we got 30 out of the letter Y. Come on, Jim and Jules, be nice. But at least it's letting us play around. Oh, there you go. gonna take 2 more. Oh, that would have been great. I I'll take it down to 80.
You're listening to High Winds Radio.
Last one. Well, let's take it down to 60. Let's enjoy it a little bit. Oh my God, that would have been perfect. Well, making us play. Come on, Jim and Jules. One good hit. Get a red spin. Need a red spin from you. Oh, that would have been nice. Let's take the last one. Okay, Jim and Jules, you were nice for AAZ slots. Made us play a little bit, but I'm gonna walk away on this one. So it's a draw. Jim and Jules, thank you very much for being nice to AAZ slots. And for my viewers, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to AAZ slots and joined our happy family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We got more videos on its way. So take care now and see you in a few. Be safe now.